Alright, we have a 2023 Honda Odyssey. We want to go ahead and add a key to it. There's one original key, and this key is driver 1. That works the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and add a second key that's driver 2. Currently it's outside the vehicle. Let's go to manual selection. Odyssey, smart key, push to start. Yes. Let's get a scan of the system, make sure we could read it. Vehicle is turned on since we have a working key. Everything seems to be working correctly. Ignition is turned on.
Good. You got water or something, Jonathan?
I'm good, thank you. Let's do add a key. So you want no DTCs, we just check that. One registered key, which yes, because the car is on. One keyless remote that is capable of starting the engine must be in the vehicle. It's in the vehicle already. Ignition is turned on. And ensure the following to reduce noise. Turn off all electrical devices. Perfect. Close all doors, windows, and sunroof. So let's do that. We will go ahead and close the door. And here we go. Okay. We just turned off the ignition. Place the learn key in the vehicle. Learn key is here. Let's click OK. Please turn the ignition switch on twice. Let's move this zoom back out. Okay, let's take this key outside. It says put it away. So what we will do, we will go and we will put it down. All right. Okay. Next key to be learnt. Let's go grab our key. This is our new key. We'll put it right over here on the seat. Okay. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on. Are both the keyless access and immobilizer indicator lights turned off? There are no lights turned on in regards to the immobilizer. So we will say yes. Turn the ignition switch off. Turn it on. Registration is complete. Turn the ignition switch off. Check all the remotes, make sure they all function. So we'll just go ahead and you can hear that. So we know that this remote works. And let's go grab our other key. And here we go. We'll turn this on. And that's the process. So here you go. That's the original key. As you can see, it works. And here's the new key. So 2 keys programmed. We will go ahead and start the engine. The engine starts. And let's just go ahead and number of smart keys should now be 3. And let's just go ahead and read the DTCs again. Perfect. Everything's looking good. No issues. We came with no issues. We left with no issues. So our job here is complete. 2023 Honda Odyssey. Push to start.